Hi everybody, welcome back to the Hardware Info channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to set up the voice guide in your Samsung Smart Monitor. At first, go to the left to your control panel. Here go to settings and now click on settings. Here scroll down to the general and privacy settings and go to accessibility. The first thing, which is here, is voice guide settings. Go to that, and to enable and set up your voice guide, at first you have to enable it.
Voice guide on.
And as you can see here, below that we have a lot of options, but let me disable it for a moment because it will disturb us. Here, as you can see, if we click on each option, we can change the volume level, we can change the speed, pitch, and Smart Monitor background volume. And I will show you now this without my comment, only with this comment using my Samsung Smart Monitor.
2. Volume, medium, adjust the volume. 3. Soft. 2. Medium. 1. Loud. 2. Volume, loud. 3. Speed, normal, adjust the tempo of voice guide. Speed, 5 items. 2. Fast. 1. Very fast. 3. Speed, very fast, adjust the tempo of voice guide. Speed. 3. Speed, fast, adjust the tempo of voice guide. Speed. 3. Speed. 4. 3. Speed. Slow. Adjust. Speed. 3. 4. Pitch. Medium. Adjust the pitch of voice guide. Pitch. 3 items. 2. Medium. 1. High. 4. Pitch. High. Adjust the pitch of voice guide. Pitch. 4. Pitch. Low. Adjust the pitch of voice guide. Pitch. 5. Smart monitor background volume. Medium. Adjust smart monitor background sound volume during voice guidance. Smart monitor. 5. Smart. 5. 5. Smart monitor background volume. Very loud. Adjust smart monitor background sound volume during voice guidance.
Now to turn off our voice guide, we have to scroll to the app and just click on the voice guide switch.
Voice guide off.
And as you can see, that's it for the voice guide. Goodbye!